Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this quick video, I will show you how to create a Gmail account step by step right from your phone or computer. So let's get started. First, you need to open your Gmail app. Tap on your profile at the top right. Tap Add Another Account at the bottom. Choose Google. Now tap Create Account. I will choose for my personal use. Here, enter your first name and your surname and tap Next. Here, enter your birthday and gender. Tap Next at the bottom right. Now choose a unique username. This will be your new Gmail address. I'll go with this one. You also have an option to create your own Gmail address, but for now I'll go with this one. Tap Next at the bottom right. And here, create a strong password using letters, numbers, and symbols. Again, tap Next. So this will be your new username and your Gmail address. Tap Next. Scroll down and agree to the terms and conditions. Google may ask for your phone number to verify your identity. Enter your number, tap Next, and type the code you receive via SMS. And there you have it. Your Gmail account is now created. You can now use Gmail to send emails, connect your account to YouTube, Google Drive, and more. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.